So class 6, good morning to all of you. So today I will discuss the chapter number 5, Greek civilization. So end of Greek civilization. So the city-state of ancient uh, Greece fell to Roman conquest in 146 BCE. Long after ancient Greece lost its political and military power, its cultural accomplishment deeply influenced thinkers, writers, and artists, especially those in ancient Rome. Clear? So ancient Rome was a civilization that grew from a small agriculture community. So founded on the Italian peninsula in the 9th century BCE to a large empire, spreading the Mediterranean Sea. Roman civilization changed from a monarchy. Monarchy means government headed by a king or queen. Government headed by king or queen. So monarchy to a republic based on a combination of oligarchy and democracy. So to an autocratic means complete power in the hands of one person, a ruler, just like king. So what is the meaning of autocratic? A complete power in the hands. It's just like one person, or it's just like ruler or queen or king. Clear? So it came to dominate Western Europe and the area surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. The Roman Republic was a very successful government. It lasted from 110 BCE until 23 BCE, almost 500 years. So, and next important thing, social and political system. Gradually, the city of Rome grew into a large empire. Now, before it became an empire, it experienced a new form of government. The republic, which was a form of government ruled by a group of persons elected by the people, the Roman public was an oligarchy. That is, power was held by a few. There was no king or emperor, but the rich people governed in the city. Partitions were the people of Rome's were divided into two groups, two parts. The first part is partitions, which were the rich people. Initially, only the partitions were allowed to become members of the Senate. Senate means an assembly of people, which passed the laws and rules for the city. Now the second is plebeians were the common masses, and they did not have any rights. It was also only gradually that the common people won the right to hold public offices and other high positions in the government and administration part. Administration means office work. So the Senate elected two people to handle day-to-day affairs of the growing territory of Rome. They were called the consuls. Over time, these consuls become important and powerful official of Rome. The Senate also had a fleet of trained soldiers to protect the city from outsiders. Over time, the Senate had been replaced by the pomp and glory of the Roman courts led by the Roman emperors. Religion means third. The Roman were believers of many gods and built a temple in their honor. They worshipped Jupiter, god of sky. Jupiter means god of sky. Apollo, sun god. Venus, goddess of love. Venus means goddess of love. Mars, goddess of war, god of war. They also worship their empire as god. Thank you.